This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Lisa Campbell. Rare find. This fantastic well-maintained ranch-style home is being offered for the first time in almost 20 years. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, open floor plan, kitchen with beautiful cabinetry and all appliances to remain, new dishwasher, brand new low-maintenance flooring throughout, interior freshly painted, master suite with private primary bath. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your morning coffee on the nice covered back deck. 1-car garage, double concrete driveway with plenty of extra parking, storage barn on the right side to Convey, roof equals 5 years, new compressor, convenient to NORRIS Lake/Hickory Star Resort and Marina, minutes to area shopping/restaurants and schools. Make this your new peaceful place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Campbell at 865-687-1111.